I look so ashy and all of that, but good morning to you guys. You'll be hearing a lot of noise because I placed you guys like directly in front. Is it in front or behind? No, in front of my window. Have you ever stepped out of your house or getting ready to step out of your house and you don't even know where you're going to? That is my story this morning. I'm about to leave the house, but I really honestly do not know where I'm going to. The thing is, I want to spray the house. So my face is now very wet. Let me talk to you guys why I allow that drying before I go in with my moisturizer and then sunscreen. So like I was saying, I want to spray the house because the boys will be back tomorrow, so I just want to get the house ready. I didn't have any plans of going out today, so I really do not know where to go, and today is Sunday and I didn't go to church, but I didn't plan going anywhere, even church today. I just wanted to like rest. I mean, I've been resting all this while, but I've been doing some other things, but today was supposed to be just rest, so I didn't have any plans of going anywhere. So I don't know, I'm just going to dress up anywhere hobby carries me to, I'll take. But maybe when I'll just step out of the house, if I'm not feeling the vibe of going anywhere, I'll just tell him to drop me at my parents' place. So maybe when I step out of the house, I'll just call them. I don't want to call them now, just in case I decide to go any other place. So when I step out of the house and I feel like I don't want to go anywhere, or there's no place to go to, I will just call my brother. If he's at home, I'll go there and stay. I'll have to stay there till like evening, almost night. So what we sprayed must have, subsided. And I'm using sniper. Yes, I realized that using normal insecticide, they don't really last like that. Like, you can spray insecticide in the house today and you still see mosquito. So what I do once in a while, in a month, like once in a month, sometimes 2 times, I will just spray sniper everywhere and also insecticide. Both of them you get, and then when you come back, you see insects that even insects you did not know that you're in your house safe. Sniper is really effective, but the only thing is, keep it where your kids will not be able to touch it. Before we got this sniper, it was so hard. Anybody will tell to help us find it, to say you're not serious, that God forbid, don't ever buy sniper for us. It was funny when we were trying to get the sniper, but we finally got it. I still sound like a man. Guys, I don't understand this cough that I got. I don't know if I should get strepsil and just leak so it to help me clear my voice, because this is not how I used to sound. I have a sweet voice. I'm not understanding. Hey guys, update on my brows. Can you see that it is shading? That's not shading, especially this side. It shaded a lot last night. Like, it was just peeling off like scales. Like, oh my god, what's this? This one, it still has not like shaded well, but this one did a lot of shading yesterday. This one, I think it was just one peel that I got out of it. I wasn't peeling it by myself, but once I see that the head has come out, I'll just drag it out. It wasn't painful anyways, just in case you're wondering. So yeah, it's beginning to look lighter and, is it transparent? I don't know. But yeah, I like it. I'm happy. Moisturizer. I did it on Tuesday. Today is Sunday, so do the math. My lip is so dry now, Sha. This lip gloss I rub nice of no use because I want to apply a red lipstick. That's my red lipstick. I want to apply it. Here's the sunscreen. Oh guys, this is a new vlog. Welcome to a new vlog. My name is Precious. I live in Abia State. I create content concerning motherhood, lifestyle in general, sisterhood. We do cooking once in a while, simple cooking, nothing so serious. We preach and practice love. And many more other things. Sometimes I do sit down videos as well, covering a lot of other things, just a lot of things on the channel. The OGs can attest to that. So please subscribe to the channel if you're visiting us for the first time, and you might actually be a returning viewer. but you're not subscribed. So look at your screen over here. Look at your screen. If that subscribe is still written on your screen, it means you're not subscribed to this channel. So click on it, let it disappear. Okay, click on it, and yeah, there's also a bell close to it. Click on the bell as well, so when I put out new videos, YouTube will say, hi there, Precious has a new video, come and watch. So you can be notified when I put out new videos. And guys, please give my video a thumbs up. Guys, what is happening with our views? It don't start again. No, it has started again. I don't understand. Sometimes we see ourselves moving forward before you need YouTube, we want to say, let me show this girl small pepe. I don't know if it's they're not recommending my videos to new people, or I don't understand. We're like 2k plus subscribers, and most of my subscribers, I got it from my long form videos, not even shorts. It's not if I gathered subscribers from shorts and they're not reflecting on my long form videos. I actually got most of you from the long form videos. So why are you not watching? I don't understand what's happening. But shall just subscribe and share my videos, okay? Please, 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 please. If there's anything that I'm not doing right, that's why the comment section is there. That's why my Instagram DM is there. If you do not feel comfortable leaving it in the comment section, come to my Instagram DM. For those of you that have come there, you know that I will always respond to you. You know, I'll always see your messages and I'll always respond to it. So please, guys, let me know if there's something that I'm not doing right, or if there's something that you want me to improve on, or if there's just any content you feel like that is what I will do that will make you start watching my videos again, or that will make you start sharing my videos. Let me know, okay? This oil I got for my hair. This is the hair booster serum. It's almost finished. I would repurchase it. I don't even know if it's doing anything particularly for me, but I just like the fact that it keeps my hair moisturized. Like, it makes my hair not to be dry, because I have very dry scalp, which most times translates to dandruff. So with this, anytime I touch my hair, it's not dry. So I don't know if it's doing the hair growth that it promised to do, but my edges are back anyways. So I don't know if it's this oil or it just came back naturally, because postpartum, pregnancy and postpartum carried them away. Those of you that know how to do your edges effortlessly, and it will turn out looking stunning, you're God's favorite. This hair has tried. Today is Sunday. I'll take out this hair this week. This week should be the 3rd week. It will be 3rd week. Yeah, this week should be the 3rd week. So it's not like I've done nonsense with my edges, but I'll carry it like that, I beg. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me. Hey. This is my outfit, short gown. And yeah. So I did not go anywhere. I just opted to come to my parents' house. So yeah, I'm here now. I will talk to you guys later. This is just proof of life. Hi guys, so I finally decided to just come to my parents' house, and I will spend some time inside. I just decided to just step out and go. I don't even know where they want to carry me to go. That's anywhere we can look around and maybe eat something, and yeah, I'm sure you guys. No. That's okay. Yes, my people don't stay at home. Let's go home. Is that Indian movie? Mexico. Big brother. They are no longer in pairs again. Another twist to the game. Big brother's house, big brother's room. problem now is double K. Who will they vote for? Husband or wife? Now the game has gotten tougher. So I said, never. Right, having did some shopping. I actually want to cook soup, so we went to the market. Let me just show you guys. So this is crayfish. This is crayfish. This is not for the soup, but this is just crayfish that we usually buy and I store in the freezer. Then we got onions. Okay, this is banana. I don't want to bring it out because it's later she'll see. Oh, you have seen it. He's fighting at banana. I didn't want him to see because I'm frying plantain. Just give me one shot. Wait now. Oh yeah, can you open it now? Wait, let me open it for you. Yeah, cut. So this should be the ugu. Yeah. That's vegetable. This is smoked fish. Yeah, smoked fish. Then this is this should be periwinkle. Periwinkle. Then I think the main thing here is more vegetable and water leaf. Then in here, what's this? It should be mangala, dry fish, white, stock cubes, Maggi, no, that's tissue, more tissue, shaving stick, more whites, new toothbrush for NATO. 2 years. I think okay. Milo and milk. Yeah. Got bread as well. And this is burning. Need to collect it gently, you can collect it small. Yeah, give it to me. Give it to him now. See, he's looking at you. Give it to him. Good boy. Kaito, say thank you. Ha! Small, Neto. This boy is not your age mate.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild.
guys, the sun is so hot. I'm just thankful that I applied enough sunscreen because what? I just left the salon to take a stroll to get lip gloss. I don't know if you guys can even hear me because I'm walking on the road and everywhere is noisy. And I'm a bit shy, but yeah.